Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. I'm David. Today I want to talk about the new sneakers I got. They are the oncloud 5s, and they are literally one of the most comfortable shoes I have ever owned. This is the second pair of onclouds that I have owned. The first pair were for running. This is just a daily wear, nice tread pattern, very breathable. The air just passes straight through here and keeps your feet nice and cool. What I like about this is it comes with a bungee type shoelace, and it also comes with a shoelace that can be laced up that you can tie if you did not want to use this. As you can see in the video here, it really conforms to your foot and walks very well and is very comfortable. I highly recommend this shoe and really think that you will be happy with it if you decided to buy one. If you're interested in getting yourself a set of these oncloud 5 shoes, there will be a link down in the description. Thanks for watching.